If you ever work in Photoshop and you want to stop a layer from being moved, edited, or deleted by accident, locking it is one of the fastest and safest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to lock or unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop using a simple keyboard shortcut so you can protect your work and keep your workflow clean. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, look over to your layers panel and click the layer you want to protect. This is the layer you want to completely lock down so nothing changes by mistake. Once the correct layer is selected, you do not need to open any menus or search through extra options. All you need is a quick shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+//. On Mac, press Command+//. As soon as you press that shortcut, you should see a small padlock icon appear on the far right side of that layer row. That padlock means the layer is now locked. At this point, Photoshop will prevent accidental changes to that layer, which is especially useful when you are working on a detailed design, a background image, or any element you do not want to move or edit while continuing your project. If you ever need to make changes again, unlocking is just as easy. Select the locked layer and press the exact same shortcut one more time. Ctrl+// on Windows or Command+/ on Mac. The padlock icon will disappear and the layer will be unlocked again so you can edit it normally. This is a really simple shortcut, but it can save you from a lot of mistakes, especially if you are editing multiple layers and want to keep one specific layer safe while you work on the others. It is one of those Photoshop habits that can make your workflow much smoother and more professional. So to quickly recap, click the layer in the Layers panel, press the shortcut to lock it, look for the padlock icon, and press the same shortcut again whenever you want to unlock it. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.